श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रवतु। गणेशाय नमः। सरस्वत्यै नमः। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। ॐ अरुणकमलसंस्था तद्रजः पुञ्जवर्णा करकमलधृतेष्टा भीतियुग्माम्बुजाता मणिमकुटविचित्रालङ्कृतिः पद्ममाला भवतु भुवनमाता सन्ततं श्रीः श्रियै नमः। ॐ लक्ष्मीं क्षीरसमुद्रराजतनयां श्रीरङ्गधामेश्वरीं दासीभूतसमस्तदेववनितां लोकैकदीपाङ्कुराम् श्रीमन्मन्दकटाक्षलब्धविभव ब्रह्मेन्द्र गंगाधरां वां त्रैलोक्यकुटुम्बिनीं सरसिजां वन्दे मुकुन्द प्रियाम्। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं श्रीं कमले कमलालये प्रसीद प्रसीद। श्रीं ह्रीं श्रीं ॐ श्री महालक्ष्मी देव्यै नमः। दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेषजन्तोः स्वस्थैः स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभान् ददासि। ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजां चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः। दारिद्र्यदुःखभयहारिणि का त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं श्रीं कमले कमलालये प्रसीद प्रसीद। श्रीं ह्रीं श्रीं ॐ श्री महालक्ष्मी देव्यै नमः। दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेषजन्तोः स्वस्थैः स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभान् ददासि। ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीं यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयङ्गामश्वं पुरुषानहम्। दारिद्र्यदुःखभयहारिणि का त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं श्रीं कमले कमलालये प्रसीद प्रसीद। श्रीं ह्रीं श्रीं ॐ श्री महालक्ष्मी देव्यै नमः। दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेषजन्तोः स्वस्थैः स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभान् ददासि। अश्वपूर्वां रथमध्यां हस्तिनादप्रबोधिनीं श्रियं देवीमुपह्वये श्रीर्मा देवीर्जुषताम्। दारिद्र्यदुःखभयहारिणि का त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं श्रीं कमले कमलालये प्रसीद प्रसीद। श्रीं ह्रीं श्रीं ॐ श्री महालक्ष्मी देव्यै नमः। दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेषजन्तोः स्वस्थैः स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभान् ददासि। तां सोऽस्मितां हिरण्यप्राकारामार्द्रां ज्वलन्तीं तृप्तां तर्पयन्तीं पद्मे स्थितां पद्मवर्णां तामिहोपह्वये श्रियम्। दारिद्र्य दुःख भयहारिणिका त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं श्रीं कमले कमलालये प्रसीद प्रसीद श्रीं ह्रीं श्रीं ॐ श्री महालक्ष्मी देव्यै नमः दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेषजन्तोः स्वस्थै स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभान् ददासि चन्द्रां प्रभासां यशसा ज्वलन्तीं श्रियं लोके देवजुष्टामुदारां तां पद्मिनीं ईं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये अलक्ष्मीर्मे नश्यतां त्वां वृणे दारिद्र्य दुःख भयहारिणिका त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं श्रीं कमले कमलालये प्रसीद प्रसीद श्रीं ह्रीं श्रीं ॐ श्री महालक्ष्मी देव्यै नमः दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेषजन्तोः स्वस्थै स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभान् ददासि आदित्यवर्णे तपसोऽधिजातो वनस्पतिस्तव वृक्षोऽथ बिल्वः तस्य फलानि तपसानुदन्तु मायान्तरायाश्च बाह्या अलक्ष्मीः दारिद्र्यदुःखभयहारिणिका त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः Om Shri Sai Ram. Thank you all for joining. We finished till 6th sloka of Sri Suktam. Going to chant the 7th one onwards today. Before we start, I know I owe a recording for everybody. I need to do that. I'll do that. But any questions or anything as you were practicing? Any questions?
Sai Ram, brother, when you record, is there a way you can record instead of the Samputita with all the additional stanzas, just the mantras itself, so that we can practice repeatedly?
Yeah.
It's possible. Just the 16 verses, so that I think I'm able to say the stream, him, streams, kamale, and the additional lines, but just the mantras itself, the 2 lines per each. Is it possible to record it separately?
Yeah, I think we should do this. I will record the first the Samputikarana mantra and then do this separately and then do a complete recording where the whole thing is there.
Yes.
There is a completeness to the lesson basically. I mean, like the recording basically.
Okay, thank you.
One thing, Shrikantji, the line where you have Durge Smrita Harasi Bhitima Shesha Jantoho. Do you complete the Jantoho or do you continue on with Janto Swasthais?
Yeah, actually the Janto Swasthais, because we Visarga followed by, because this is, and again that is applies to the Veda mantras actually, and right, I mean those are the rules of chanting for the Veda mantras. And the reason we have adopted this is a little bit exception, I should say, where where people are actually, you know, when we do the Devi Mahatmya Parayana, this is how we do. We don't break it. We do it completely. Like Janto Swasthai Smrita Matimati Va Shubhan Nadasi. But if you see other people, like at least in the group that we are in, when we chant, everybody takes a break here.
Okay.
So that's an easy one to, that's at least a good observation. First of all, thank you for observing that. But yeah, technically, yeah, it should not be a break. It should be a continuous one. But for the sake of group chanting and you know how we have everybody's chanting, we are doing it this way. Actually, there is nothing wrong in that, is what I came to know. So because this is not a Veda mantra, you can break it actually.
Okay, in the Devanagari one, there is the S written. That's why I wanted to check.
Yeah, exactly. That is right. Exactly, it should be S only there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so another thing is that I was trying to see that ISAT fonts. I could not, I found it, but I could not, did not know which one to install because there are a few versions out there. So if anybody knows a little bit technical and know, let me please ping me because I definitely, I was trying a few things, I could not do it. Would appreciate some help there so that we can correct some of these mistakes that are there.
Yeah, I don't have prior experience. I can help. I have to learn as well. same
Well,
stage as you.
Yeah. So basically, in Microsoft Word, there is there is a add-on, right? So you need to add on this fonts. These are extra fonts, right? So you can add on these ISAT fonts. So when you type in English, it translates into sorry, not ISAT, iTrans. I forgot is iTrans or ISAT. I think iTrans is a software. It publishes it writes in the ISAT format.
Oh,
So that's what it is. So iTrans is the software, sorry, not ISAT. Yeah.
okay. Never tried that. Okay.
Yeah. So I tried sometimes, but I could not, did not want to install on my office laptop. So left it there.
Yeah, I too work on that office laptop. That's the other thing. But let me see.
Yeah.
If there's something for the iPad, I can try. Yeah.
Okay. All right. If there is no questions, then we will start the 7th one. Hopefully, we'll try to finish today. And we'll see where we get to. Seventh mantra of Sri Suktam. Upaituman Deva Sakaha Kirtischa Maninasaha Pradurbhutosmi Rashtresmin Kirtimriddhin Dadatu me. Okay. Upaituman Deva Sakhaha. There is a Mahaprana Mukha. Sakhaha Kirtischa Marnina Saha, not Manina, Marnina Saha Pradurbhuto. Mahaprana on the Bhu. Bhutosmi Pradurbhutosmi Rashtresmin Kirti Mriddhin Dadatu me. So this is not, this is the R, not the Ru. Kirti Mruddhim is incorrect. Kirti Mriddhin Dadatu me. Okay. Kirti Mriddhim Dadatu me. The Visarga, the Anuswara followed by the becomes N. Kirti Mriddhim Dadatu me. Stand this. Om Upaituman Devasakah Kirtischa Maninasaha Pradurbhutosmi Rashtresmin Kirtimriddhin Dadatu me. Upaituman Devasakah Kirtischa Maninasaha Pradurbhutosmi Rashtresmin Kirtimriddhin Dadatu me. Upaituman Devasakah Kirtischa Maninasaha Pradurbhutosmi Rashtresmin Kirtimriddhin Dadatu me. Upaituman Devasakah Kirtischa Maninasaha Pradurbhutosmi Rashtresmin Kirtimriddhin Dadatu me. Om Upaituman Devasakah Kirtischa Maninasaha प्रादुर्भूतोऽस्मि राष्ट्रेऽस्मिन् कीर्तिमृद्धिं ददातु मे उपैतुमान् देवसखः कीर्तिश्च मणिना सह प्रादुर्भूतोऽस्मि राष्ट्रेऽस्मिन् कीर्तिमृद्धिं ददातु मे Next one. Shutpipasa. This is SH, not KS. Shutpipasa malam jyeshtha jyesthama lakshmim nashayamyaham abhutima samruddhim cha sarvam nirnuda me gruhaat. Okay. Shutpipasa malam jyeshtha malakshmim jyeshthamalakshmim nashayamyaham abhutima samriddhim cha sarvam nirnudame gruhaat. Om Shutpipasa malang jyeshtha malakshmirnashayamyaham abhutima samriddhim cha sarvanirnudame gruhaat. Om Shutpipasa malang jyeshtha malakshmirnashayamyaham abhutima samriddhim cha sarvanirnudame gruhaat. Om Shutpipasa malam jyeshtha malakshmirnashayamyaham abhutima samriddhim cha sarvanirnudame gruhaat. Shutpipasa malang jyeshtha malakshmirnashayamyaham abhutima samriddhim cha sarvanirnudame gruhaat. Om Shutpipasa malang jyeshtha malakshmirnashayamyaham abhutima samriddhim cha sarvanirnudame gruhaat. Om Shutpipasa malang jyeshtha malakshmirnashayamyaham abhutima samriddhim cha sarvanirnudame gruhaat. Om Shutpipasa malang jyeshtha malakshmirnashayamyaham abhutima samriddhim cha sarvanirnudame gruhaat. Any questions on the 7th and 8th?
It is. It looks like Pipasa, right? Here in the
Yeah,
Shutti.
yeah. Shutpipasa. Yeah.
P sound should come here when you are chanting. Should
Yeah, Pipasa.
Pipasa, right? Okay. If you are
Shutpipasa.
should Pipasa. Okay.
Didn't you hear that when I chanted?
I felt like, Shutti Pipasa. I just felt like Pasa, so I was observing that how to say that. That's what I'm like kind of.
Yeah, I think
Shutpipasa. Yeah.
on the Devanagari, I think the high pitch and low pitch, the swaras are different. Actually, totally different than what you have in IST. It's lower.
What is it?
Yeah,
It is lower.
it's Pipasa, like that. They have it in the
Yeah.
Devanagari.
The Anuswara, the Anudatta is on the Pa.
It's on the Shu, then on the first Pa, also on the second Pa. Everything is down.
Yeah, okay. Shruti-pasa-malan jyeshtha. Yeah, right?
Yeah. It's not even the first P. You have P pass of the P. There's a vertical tick, right? Even that is also lower in the.
Oh, okay. So everything is down.
Everything is
Shruti-pasa-malan. Yeah, that's correct only. Yeah, that's correct. This is that's why I was wondering why is it up there, because it should be down. Yeah. Shruti-pasa-malan jyeshtha-malakshmirnashayamyaham abhotim-samriddhim cha sarva nirnudame gruhat. So make note of this. Okay. Anything else? On the seventh one, is everything okay
Is
now?
it Malshtha, Pipasa, Malan, Jeshta?
Yeah, Malam, Jyeshtha become Anuswara with a J. Next becomes the Nya sound, right? Jajja Nya.
Yes. Okay.
The Nya sound is here. Malang Jyeshtha. Malang Jyeshtha. It's not N but Nga. Chacha
Okay.
Jajja Nya, right? Nya.
Okay.
And again, Lakshmi with the Na becomes Lakshmir Nashayamyaham. This is again another rule of Sandhya, for another rule that I don't remember what it is, but when you have the Na, I think after the Anuswara, Lakshmir Nashayamiham, Abhutima Samriddhincha Sarva Nirnudame Guhaad. Okay. Ninth verse. Gandhadvaran Duradarsham Nitya Pushtam Karishini Ishvarim Sarvabhutanam Tamihopahvaye Shriyam. Gandhadvaran, there is a Mahaprada on the Dha. Duradharsham, right? Mahaprada on the Dha. Nitya Pushtam, it is not Pushtam, Karishiniim, Ana here. Ishvariim Sarvabhutanam Tamiho Pahvaye Shriyam. Bhutanam, Mahaprana here. And Pahvaye Shriyam. We have encountered this Pahvaye earlier also. So let's chant this. Om Gandhadvaran Duradarsh. Sorry, before we learn, any mistakes on the Swara? Intonations? Everything okay in Devanagari?
It's actually all lower. Gandha, Dwaran, Duran.
Yeah, Gandha is also down, right?
Yeah, everything is down. Gandha, Dwaran. So the all are low.
Okay, yeah.
The is low, is low, as well as Dwa is also low.
Okay, these are all okay. Correct this. Om Gandhadvaran Duradharshan Nityapushtan Karishiniim Ishvarim Sarvabhutanam Tamihopahvaye Shriyam. Om Gandhadvaran Duradharshan Om Gandhadvaran Duradharshan Nityapushtan Karishiniim ईश्वरीं सर्वभूतानां तामिहोपह्वये श्रियम् ॐ गन्धद्वारां दुराधर्षान् नित्यपुष्टां करीषिणीम् ईश्वरीं सर्वभूतानां तामिहोपह्वये श्रियम् ॐ गन्धद्वारां दुराधर्षान् नित्यपुष्टां करीषिणीम् ईश्वरीं सर्वभूतानां तामिहोपह्वये श्रियम् ॐ गन्धद्वारां दुराधर्षान् नित्यपुष्टां करीषिणीम् ईश्वरीं सर्वभूतानां तामिहोपह्वये श्रियम् ॐ गन्धद्वारां दुराधर्षान् नित्यपुष्टां करीषिणीम् ईश्वरीं सर्वभूतानां तामिहोपह्वये श्रियम् ॐ गन्धद्वारां दुराधर्षान् नित्यपुष्टां करीषिणीम् ईश्वरीं सर्वभूतानां तामिहोपह्वये श्रियम् Tenth mantra.
Srikanth, just
Yeah.
the last, the Puffvaye, right?
Puffvaye, yeah. Tamiho Puffvaye. Tamiho Puffvaye Shriyam. We had this Puffvaye earlier also. Second one or third one we had that. Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye in the third one.
It's on the fourth one also.
Yeah, fourth one. Yeah. Yes. Padme Sthitam Padmavarnam Tamiho Pahvaye Shriyam. Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Tenth mantra. Manasaha Kamama Kuutim Vachaha Satya Mashimahi Pashunam Rupamannasya. Okay, this is not breaking. Rupamannasya Mai Shrihi Shrayatam Yashaha. Those are the words. Manasaha.
And, I'm sorry to stop. And the Telugu script is written as Rupa Manyasya.
Manyas, yeah, Manyas, Mannasya, right? Oh, yeah, that's right. Rupa Manyas, yeah, Manyasya.
Yeah.
Pashunam Rupa Mannasya. Yeah,
There is Manyasya even on Devanagari. So there is no
right?
double and fine.
Rupa Manyasya.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Sorry for all the corrections. This is not a complete script. Apologies for that. Pashunam Rupa Pashunam Rupa Manyasya Mai Shrihi Shayatam Yashaha. Okay, that is the 10th one. Let's chant this. Om Manasah Kamama Kuutim Vachas Satyamashi Pashunam Rupamanyasya Mai Shri Shrayatam Yashaha. Om Manasah काममाकूतिं वाचः सत्यमशीमहे पशूनां रूपमन्यस्य मयि श्रीश्रयतां यशः ॐ मनसः काममाकूतिं वाचः सत्यमशीमहे पशूनां रूपमन्यस्य मयि श्रीश्रयतां यशः ॐ मनसः काममाकूतिं वाचः सत्यमशीमहे पशूनां रूपमन्यस्य मयि श्रीश्रयतां यशः ॐ मनसः काममाकूतिं वाचः सत्यमशीमहे पशूनां रूपमन्यस्य मयि श्रीश्रयतां यशः ॐ मनसः काममाकूतिं वाचः सत्यमशीमहे पशूनां रूपमन्यस्य मयि श्रीश्रयतां यशः ॐ मनसः काममाकूतिं वाचः सत्यमशीमहे पशूनां रूपमन्यस्य मयि श्रीश्रयतां यशः ॐ मनसः काममाकूतिं वाचः सत्यमशीमहे पशूनां रूपमन्यस्य मयि श्रीश्रयतां यशः Okay, any questions on this one?
G, on the Devanagari script, the Shriyatam, on the ya, there is like a little thing, it's almost like a yamshaha. If you want to look at the Devanagari script for the 10th.
Yeah, Shriyatai Yashaha, that is the I. Anuswara followed by a ya becomes the I sound. Shriyatam Yashaha is a word, but Shriyatai Yashaha.
Okay.
The I is, it's here, right? M with an I here. In English. You see?
In Telugu also, it looks like an L. So maybe that's what she was asking.
No, it's not an L. It is followed by a la sound, starting a word starting with a la, then L will come. But it is a ya, so it is a I.
Okay, I corrected it. So can you please repeat the first line? Kama kutu.
Manasah kamama kuutiu. Not putim vachas satyamashimhi. Manasah kama kuut. So you cannot break here at kamama. Manasah kamama kuutim vachas satyamashimhi.
Okay. Thank you.
Pashunam rupamanyasya mayi shrishrayataಂ yashaha. I hope everybody is paying attention to these rules, right? I just
Sairam, brother. In the Telugu, the Shrihi at the second sentence, it's just Shrihi, right?
yeah.
In Telugu.
Shrihi with followed by the Visarga is the Ihi is followed by again the next word, but is starting with the Sh.
Okay.
Shrayatam, right?
So Shrihi Shrayatam, right?
So yeah, Shrihi Shrayatam becomes Shri Shrayatam because Visarga followed by a Sha, you get the Sha sound. Shri Shrayatam Yashaha, like that.
Okay.
Not Shrihi Shrayatam. The Visarga is only said at the end of the mantra. If the like here at the end is Yashaha Visarga.
Thank you.
Okay, you still have a question, ma'am? Raise your hand, Susan. Okay,
No, thank you. I'm done.
okay. So 11th mantra. Kardamena prajabhuta mayi sambhava kardama shriyam vasaya me kule mataram padmamalini. Kardamena prajabhuta mayi sambhava kardama shriyam vasaya me kule mataram padmamalini. So here it is Shriyam Vasaya, like that, not Shriyam Vasaya, Shriyam Vasaya. The U sound. Om Kardamena Prajabhuta Mayi Sambhava Kardama Shriyam Vasaya me kule mataram padmamalini. Om Kardamena Prajabhuta Mayi Sambhava Kardama Shriyam Vasaya me kule mataram padmamalini. Om Kardamena Prajabhuta Mayi Sambhava Kardama Shriyam Vasaya me kule mataram padmamalini. Om Kardamena Prajabhuta Mayi Sambhava Kardama Shriyam Vasaya me kule mataram padmamalini. Om Kardamena Prajabhuta Mayi Sambhava Kardama Shriyam Vasaya me kule mataram padmamalini. Om Kardamena Prajabhuta Mayi Sambhava Kardama Shriyam Vasaya me kule mataram padmamalini. Om Kardamena Prajabhuta Mayi Sambhava Kardama Shriyam Vasaya me kule mataram padmamalini. Any questions on this? Okay. 12th mantra. Apaha srijantu snigdhani chiklita vasame grihe nicha devim mataram shriyam vasayame kule. Apaha srijantu becomes apasrijantu snigdhani chiklita vasame grihe nicha devim mataram shriyam vasayame kule. Okay. The swaras are all correct, I believe so, right? If there are any mistakes, please let me know. Om Apasrijantu snigdhani chiklita vasame grihe nicha devim mataram shriyam vasayame kule. Om Apasrijantu snigdhani chiklita vasame grihe nicha devim mataram shriyam vasayame kule. Om Apasrijantu snigdhani chiklita vasame grihe nicha devim mataram shriyam vasayame kule. ॐ आपसृजन्तु स्निग्धानि चिक्लितवसमे गृहे निच देवीं मातरं श्रियं वासय मे कुले ॐ आपसृजन्तु स्निग्धानि चिक्लितवसमे गृहे निच देवीं मातरं श्रियं वासय मे कुले ॐ आपसृजन्तु स्निग्धानि चिक्लितवसमे गृहे निच देवीं मातरं श्रियं वासय मे कुले ॐ आपसृजन्तु स्निग्धानि चिक्लितवसमे गृहे निच देवीं मातरं श्रियं वासय मे कुले ॐ आपसृजन्तु स्निग्धानि चिक्लितवसमे गृहे निच देवीं मातरं श्रियं वासय मे कुले Any questions on this? Thirteenth mantra. Ardram pushkarinim pushtim pingalam padmamalinim chandram hiranmayim lakshmim jatavedoma avaha. So all of them are in many anuswaras. Ardram pushkarinim. So there is no breakage here, right? Ardram pushkarinim pushtim pingalam padmamalinim. You cannot break any of this between. Chandram hiranmayim lakshmin jatavedo ma'avaha. Hiranmayim lakshmin becomes hiranmayim lakshmin. There is L sound here. Okay. ॐ आर्द्रां पुष्करिणीं पुष्टिं पिङ्गलां पद्ममालिनीं चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो मआवह आर्द्रां पुष्करिणीं पुष्टिं पिङ्गलां पद्ममालिनीं चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो मआवह आर्द्रां पुष्करिणीं पुष्टिं पिङ्गलां पद्ममालिनीं चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो मआवह ॐ आर्द्रां पुष्करिणीं पुष्टिं पिङ्गलां पद्ममालिनीं चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो मआवह ॐ आर्द्रां पुष्करिणीं पुष्टिं पिङ्गलां पद्ममालिनीं चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो मआवह ॐ आर्द्रां पुष्करिणीं पुष्टिं पिङ्गलां पद्ममालिनीं चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो मआवह ॐ आर्द्रां पुष्करिणीं पुष्टिं पिङ्गलां पद्ममालिनीं चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो मआवह ॐ आर्द्रां पुष्करिणीं पुष्टिं पिङ्गलां पद्ममालिनीं चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो म आवह ॐ आर्द्रां पुष्करिणीं पुष्टिं पिङ्गलां पद्ममालिनीं चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो म आवह ॐ आर्द्रां पुष्करिणीं पुष्टिं पिङ्गलां पद्ममालिनीं चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो म आवह Any questions on this mantra, 13th? Fourteenth mantra, Ardram Yah Karinim Yashtim Suvarnam Hema Malinim Suryam Hiranmayim Lakshmin Jatavedoma Avaha. Okay, so earlier one was Chandram. Here it is Suryam. That is the only difference in the 13th and 14th. Last line, last verse, or last last verse of it. Ardram Yah Karinim becomes Ardram Yah Karinim Yashtim Karinim Yashtim, right? So this is I, not you, right? Should be I. Is it right or you? What is the right one here? Should be I,
Telugu doesn't have any.
because Karinim Yashtim, right? So here after Anuswara Ya means I sound. Ardrai Yah Karini Yashtim Suvarnam He Mamalinim Suryam Hiranmayim Lakshmin Jatavedo Ma Avaha. Right? That is the only thing. So let's start this. Om Ardrai Yah Karini Yashtim Suvarnam He Mamalinim Suryam Hiranmayim Lakshmin Jatavedo Ma Avaha Om Ardrai Yah Karini Yashtim Suvarnam He Mamalinim Suryam Hiranmayim Lakshmin Jatavedo Ma Avaha Om Ardrai Yah Karini Yashtim Suvarnam He Mamalinim Suryam Hiranmayim Lakshmin Jatavedo Ma Avaha Om Ardrai Yah Karini Yashtim Suvarnam He Mamalinim Suryam Hiranmayim Lakshmin Jatavedo Ma Avaha Om Ardrai Yah Karini Yashtim Suvarnam He Mamalinim Suryam Hiranmayim Lakshmin Jatavedo Ma Avaha Om Ardrai Yah Karini Yashtim Suvarnam He Mamalinim सूर्यां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो म आवह ॐ आर्द्रायः करिणी यष्टिं सुवर्णां हेममालिनीं सूर्यां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो म आवह ॐ आर्द्रायः करिणीं यष्टिं सुवर्णां हेममालिनीं सूर्यां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो म आवह फिफ्टीन्थ वर्स ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मी मनपगामिनीं ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मी मनपगामिनीं यस्यां हिरण्यं प्रभूतं गावो दास्योश्वान् ओके दास्योश्वान् विन्देयं पुरुषानहम् ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीं यस्यां हिरण्यं प्रभूतं गावो दास्योश्वान् विन्देयं पुरुषानहम्. Any questions, mantra, guys? International, all good?
The Devanagari script says Lakshi Manapagamini.
Oh, Lakshmi. Yeah, Lakshmi. Lakshmi, yeah, Lakshmi, yeah. What did you say? No? Lakshmi?
Devanagari script says Lakshi.
Oh, Lakshi, no, Lakshmi. Om Tam Avah Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagamini Yasyam Hiranyam Prabhutangavo Dasyoshvaan Vindeyam Purushanaham Om Tam Avah Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagamini Yasyam Hiranyam Prabhutangavo Dasyoshvaan Vindeyam Purushanaham Om Tam Avah Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagamini Yasyam Hiranyam Prabhutangavo Dasyoshvaan Vindeyam Purushanaham Om Tam Avah Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagamini Yasyam Hiranyam Prabhutangavo Dasyoshvaan Vindeyam Purushanaham Om Tam Avah Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagamini Yasyam Hiranyam Prabhutangavo Dasyoshvaan Vindeyam Purushanaham Om Tam Avah Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagamini Yasyam Hiranyam Prabhutangavo Dasyoshvaan Vindeyam Purushanaham Om Tam आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीं यस्यां हिरण्यं प्रभूतं गावो दास्योश्वान् विन्देयं पुरुषानहम्. Any questions on this? Last mantra. Yes, yaha suchihi becomes yes suchihi. Yes suchif prayato. Yes suchif prayato bhutva juhuyaa dajya juhuyaa dajya manvaham shriyaf pancha dasarchancha Shrikamas satatan japet. Yes suchif prayato bhutva juhuya adajya manvaham shriyaf panchadasarchancha. There is no break here. Panchadasarchancha. One go. Shriyaf, actually this whole thing. Shriyaf panchadasarchancha Shrikamas satatan japet. Yes suchif prayato bhutva juhuya adajya manvaham Shriyaf panchadasarchancha Shrikamas satatan japet. Let's learn last one. Om Yashuchif prayato bhutva juhuya adajyamanvaham Shriyaf panchadasarchancha Shrikamas satatan japet. Om Yashuchif prayato bhutva juhuya adajyamanvaham Shriyaf panchadasarchancha Shrikamas satatan japet. Om Yashuchif prayato bhutva juhuya adajyamanvaham Shriyaf panchadasarchancha Shrikamas satatan japet. Om Yashuchif prayato bhutva juhuya adajyamanvaham Shriyaf panchadasarchancha Shrikamas satatan japet. Om Yashuchif prayato bhutva juhuya adajyamanvaham Shriyaf panchadasarchancha Shrikamas satatan japet. Om Yashuchif prayato bhutva juhuya adajyamanvaham Shriyaf panchadasarchancha Shrikamas satatan japet. Om Yashuchif prayato bhutva juhuya adajyamanvaham Shriyaf panchadasarchancha Shrikamas satatan japet. Om Yashuchif prayato bhutva juhuya adajyamanvaham Shriyaf panchadasarchancha Shrikamas satatan japet. Om Yashuchif prayato bhutva juhuya adajyamanvaham Shriyaf panchadasarchancha Shrikamas satatan japet. Om Yashuchif prayato bhutva juhuya adajyamanvaham Shriyaf panchadasarchancha Shrikamas satatan japet. Yeah, I think that's we will kind of learn the next parts are this is the Mahalakshmi mantra, Mahalakshmi Gayatri mantra, Mahadevi cha vidmahe Vishnu patni cha dhimahi tanno Lakshmi prachodayat. I think everybody knows this, right? Most of you should know this. And this is the same thing. Om Shreem Hreem Shreem Kamala Kamalaya Prasida Prasida. Shreem Hreem Shreem Om Shri Mahalakshmi Devi Namah. Same thing that we had earlier. Only this mantra. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Trambake Devi Narayani Namostute. This is also very famous mantra. But we will learn this next class because it's not Trayambake. Sharanye Trambake Devi. Triyambake Devi Narayani Namostute. Okay, we'll finish this next class. All right, thank you. We will end the class with any question before the class when the class ends. Let's chant the Om Yadaksharapadabhrashtam Matraहीnan tu yadbhavet Tatsarvam Kshamyatam Deva Narayana Namostute Visarga Bindu Matrani Padapadaksharaणि cha Nyunani Chatirictani Kshamasva Saishvara Aparadha Sahasrani Kriyante Harnisham Maya दासोऽयमिति मां मत्वा क्षमस्व साईश्वरा अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष साईश्वरा हरिः ओम तत्सत् श्री साईश्वरार्पणमस्तु स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्याय्येन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Thank you all. We'll meet next class. Thank you.
Thank you, Sai.
Thank you.
Thank you.